nana etruba wayade wo chese wo gina brane wo de ne pa wayade maame ne ye fantastic madam no ye fantastic hey Kofi Adoma ensu wo su ma busa ho se enti e kena wo nso bisa ho sa o e kena wo nso all because of say entokwa ensam ke kantantan en sovo hwe enye kwan otan hunu we etimi nya okurum kwan etimi nya hwe ase ke nipa dwen hwe ba bia mode niam na ekoduro because we say na no mo TikTok wo na wo ma create page say ade ya bono page e bonofo na nsam wo mo ka no etai efiso mo ti abrocho ntimi nya wo hwe wo mbeto totuo di akyehye mumu na wo ma hyepo e di akodoma obi obebi omunkuno omunkunkum sani pa we aso omu bi evu ti se enwura mu mmoa eti when enya won sa akwa na otutu obo Kofi Adoma no wo mu tankofo na gugu Italy ho ni omu ne be frɛ na ma na yesa ade no ko ti Kofi Adoma so ogina wo mu se bra bi gina ha yo do bon so wo hwɛ se city no wo de bon no wayi nani ho kronfa ho nenne ne duru Kofi Adoma e chene beduru so wo de amonke kanko enya kura etai ekwan amode be ma na fa so nenye e de enko na aba Kofi Adoma kafra why waso na edin nenso kafra
ekotwa scans wo ho ene yekoye ho de enso bae e beduru ye e bi sa doctor ne se ohwa ade no besusu apai no no ohwe se na camera no kura me wo manimu no a osuro se ye ne ntema nka beboa sabre ni mu na meire nso afre bi se na pena no edinti ye mama tramadol ne ye wo mi bi ne ye wo mi we enti meire frɛ se osra omontwe referral na yemfa me emra sabre no na plane nya ho eden mi ankasa so na ma riata so. In fact, unless if one or one or when you know, I can't show me say, oh, Yahoo Manino so cacra, Mompire, any one mammy. Meshe, Nasta Macquaco, ye, Juman. He said, 25 years, Doma. Then I mean to meet me at least. Into Mamma, anywhere, but not a year transparent, and about you. Said when in a corner, I we no, as same way so the young person media for betty. One shall not yatam for any. And Tisadia
Tieni Kofi Adoma, down over tono, Yabusa wasem, Tieni. As some way the young person media for a betty, and shall yatam for any. As Kofi Adoma, Hokran can be being chose. Now Dormaahene yatam for a day, Senyas a winning mubia. On 7 yaw, but Kofi Adoma no so can be. Kofi Adoma wo kan watamfo ne wan unim pefe sa de Dormaahene yere nye enso still unim pefe o Kofi Adoma wo nya akoda unim akenkan watamfo ne wan ene se hwe wo na wo de wo pe no mpani se so fa nwanse ne ho bufu a obere wo krom ye ba ne ye be kan mo fi se bi obi ne pekasa wo fa nwanse ne ho bufu wo be bere wo krom ene da ho no won mo maka kire se anhwa na watamfo ne wan ade ya domafo fi so matamfo ne asantefo enye no kore da minim domafo o mu ye nyansafo domani bie no obetka so se ne tamfo ye santini nana jima badu eni nipa kakra bi na ye sa ne ma no ne Ghanafo no na enya atwem nipa bebre efanti yentimi nka no kore nkire nipa tina na mebuafu to da me kura me nana no bi ho na me madwalai se enipa ne hya ase no emra no a ye nyina ye disi so oman no ya chiche unitary state no emra no say asantehene and other paramount chiefs chieftaincy 51 ho now say wo wani gi say constitution na wo ka no a wo de ho ato so no say wo ye paramount chiefs wani age and the constitution say we have only one single king. I friend asantehene ni dini yenkyerase abrofo no mo twere ma say your friend a king mutimi tena se ma papa yi say ono de obe enjoy paramount chief no na ode ahohwa no ho na wo wi a wono obeka se onte ase se obi ye asantehene na me nananum sika amowo tumi amowo mantimi amfa papa ya court an restraining no na matena se na nananum se wo ye judge ntino maye ne sa na saka ye me braso a ena nka bo showdown sa chieftains nka bo showdown if you say the same constitution no a e mani tumi say wo ye paramount chief ye de ani die ma no sa constitution I say asantehene and the paramount chiefs. So it means asantehene you bakope ye ni mi no na nananum te ho no sha ase ye no keka ya ena me kra golden stool no kra me nima de kro me nte ase no keka ya na court si wo twen no na nananum ayidin sika amowo kenta amowo ntade amowo nyina mukura bebre ya school for pa mu ye judges ne lawyer for na mote ho montimi amane restraining order ai wo mrem montimi restraining Kofi domadi kro na wakeka sa men nkodan kitengete na enya problems with this nonsense. And the young people and they face this challenge and no bit udi opa ma me phone license here na ko Europe you see Europe crowd that time Germany ni Italy ho obi se me ye Dormaahene me ni asantini ayaka yes se crowd ya time me na me ni adam phone ti na me hunu bi na me nyakọ oba ma me phone license here na hwe tie mu ntie mosum obi no ne Dormaahene ti say oni tachimani ti say ade ya adwuma be so person oyi bibi e frɛ ne bonofo enti ne omontam ate ebi akoso me bi kra awode nyina agu and you think it's normal and ne ebi kra awode nyina say you think it's normal ni nyina ye Dormaahene niema wo sha ase na nananum te ho na wono obakuma say na wo checha no odanda na bati na Dormaahene ne kase yesu che wo hene bi okuma se wana eti ye nyina emra ne animu ana sa me din me se ye frame ode sheba se me mpema on ode sheba me nya wo hwe metumi am ya buba me nye me do be court emranti court restraining say mo mfa na no nka me din ni bieu because me din no na ntu ma kwa ne restraining order na wa ya me ne ene hwe de nkoda ne ye a word to a wise is in Sandema mo de moma na mo mre sa why na to me de ye de to me solve problems me wo to me a na nka bo hu showdown pa ye ntie Kofi Adoma
obi ton ahwani wa bi tuntum bi wo achi ha nti ye nkɔ hɔ na ye nkonkɔhwɛ nti ye kɔ ye ne ye ma me baako na me de hye na me siyo ene ye nkɔ ahemfie hɔ na me nkonkɔhwɛ se duru hɔ na se pane na ya wo me no pain wo fom kakra me hye ne hwani wa ye tuntumi de me katamani kro obi ehu se makatamani metumi aye adwuma ne kakra efise na ma wiata so se afahye no me ye mafamu de bia e de aboa me ko duru ahemfie hɔ mantimi ansi fom meti pai me tika no sa na me se da bi yensan fa me nkɔ hotel hɔ na me nkɔ da kakra na bia de enchi no a ye afahye na ankasa no
enti Kofi Adoma na wre ho semu a abeto no no awre ho semu abeto no no ni nyina ne se obi pese wotete nipa no ena me ye bono ena abonofo ene ba bia ye ba beturu no na ye de na nka we na de bono ni se wono ne tamfo ye santini ye no ane se na amen efiri he ne bae dabeya mi kura de aduma bedu an sha se kura na minim se obi ye bono ni na we ya santini minim ade krokra mi de na minim se nyina ye nipa baako ye hu ya se ye bibi ye bonofo ena bonofo ya asori o afa de bonofo ya asori o bonofo ya o sori kokoro bem ena ya asori o ena asantehene sisi ya che o matre ni je so ache ena bonofo ya asori o sori kokoro bem ena ye ne ekoro bem na asori koi ena bonofo ya asori o na wa fa praye na o gina mantwea na ya jeje ne so na wa fa praye gina mantwea na ya jeje ne so na Ghana for jeje ne so ena Dormaahene de ena Dormaahene ene ne mu nyina mu beti obia benya akatua obia beje ne de obia nsa beka ne de baako mu fi se obi na moye no papa ya fa ne nkuku nkaka da bia wo gina mantwea na wa fa t-shirt agunu ko ho na mote wo soso enne hwe de ato Kofi Adoma enya wo ya ene na wo ye nipa boni ni na ye ebunofo ya asari o ena ebunofo wo so de kokuro bem ekuro bem na osori na okoduru he omi anwene ho ade papa ni hyase a wo ye no na ntine papa mu no oni pa ne adintitimu na eba ye ntem sam be ka no kurenti no makama no atom makama no atom amadi mu saa enkakra saa ade omde akwa Kofi Adoma wo krom ho ono so no ye ka no na odi akire no o sengetion ena na Dormaahene wayade o se wayade se wasori na wokeka nsam a eni book biam ensam wokeka ni mpani nsam bia o eduru ba bia wosimi free Cote d'Ivoire eduru ba bia wosimi free akamu nantu pese osua mpani nsam ase ne ye no tie ensam no okeka na ofa ne praye na okoprepre tie ha
Sabi bi kura mi abaka na onti ase a asama mama enguaye no ontra na invio da na abana minute so oya da private jet for we na jambadu
wa wo de hwe sa wo ye obi a wo dwene no wadwene mu da ho a so wo hene wo no ye man hene wotimi be fa wo hene bi wo hene kokroko no na be so se aba bi na aba wo na je se MPP ba na sabi emenhia ye kese ya na we na wo ye nipa na wo dwene a oba na me ka so wontie ne ehunu Dormaahene say there's something wrong with this man so no aba bi na aba so ene wo hene bi ofa private jet aye osika Ghana fo aka chonso musika bi agira sa akodi menhia na we ye kase na ohene we wonye bibi ha no amose ye boa aye osika na mo so no so
kwa mi osika ba ne private jet na ho wo for we na jambadu kwa mi osika ba ne private jet na ho wo kire ho ti oku ana se niam a ho ka se wunye memfa sika so nkonko ye de nkoto sabio dani abrochire no na wo dani ne niam me nya bi da mama nko ye de na ko kire be
nti okeka se ya na apraprafo no mabo agene so otimi gina doma wo na wo no aka asem wei busase so wo ka wi a ede adwene ne nkora ne bedwene eti so wo ye nipa wo adwene da wotimu a ade Dormaahene yei eti wo twan se o kasa ye asantefo ye respond ne ye nya na ohene pemu o etimi esesa nkora apraprafo begu kwa ho na wo mu nsemfon tantan omu fifire ntahwa na hwense mo keka na santanyene ofa plane na okọ hwi na akoto dan e de asia brochire osika ayira santefo be ka jo se yenye sika makọ ho ntimo ye bi nkobo akọ makọ ho o Ghana fo so mo sika ayira gbadi santanyene wa na mote ho munya hunu hwe ne bebu abom obi abefa asante ho tan ebebo gu tiri so no apampa so he ye gunsa ye begunsa gu tiri so no apampa so na bebu bagu mu nkonkomwa so na engum egum tiri so begum na ase engum anim no matafre tie ne ye ne yanka nkyerɛw odi atenase ne ye ho so obedi nsamfon obi no to okoto nsa di okonhyira kohyira ne busuefo da bi ensi da
Sabi bi kura mi abaka na onti ase a
Mwana frobo, chichidre frobo, wawai.
Mwana frugo.
Pia, mwana frobo, chichidre frobo, wawai.
What therefore ba?
Mwana frugo. Mo visio.
Mwana frugo, chichidre frobo, wawai. Frama, yeje frama.
Odeyo.
Asante kwa muchiri muliano. Dachi mbomu.
Pia eti obi te doma wo ye santini enchiri asante bia na wo ha wo ye wa obekun ti de ye ka kiro no wo ye santini o ti ase enchiri santini bia na benya problem eye wa unua no no unua ne santini no wo ye santini ho ye region bro no ye region administrative purpose bro ni no kura kon ye no wie wo se ma okay mato wo de friend asante west wo wie wo se momfa mukuru. The only kingdom ajina any abrofo akon almost 5 times that din kuni be 3 times. I would the whole Africa. Yes, you better say ye pass glory in ye nke kan ho 70 a. Na wo di kukun kakabi na wo di kekan tantai. Ah, ne ye pani kra dia. Se ne nka bibia ne nka di asantefo be bibia se edu omachine no omoko. Ah, anamunsuya de. The whole Africa kingdom bia ni ho woni pada sani bia no Africa asase wesu a ne nananom wo mpani sam te sa asantefo ebi ni ba bia wo se wo tai we na ye nkonkosua Peter ne Paul asem Abraham ne Mohammed asem ne de wani je ho won bibi chiche wo bibi chiche wo eno na broni hu yi no se mese nkrofo yi mia me yuso mo nkrofo na ma se asantefo we mu eno ne yetimi na nka mo ka se nanyi nipa ye nkrofo aka ne ye ne anke yeko ba bia ma obia so kon bedo nanke nyina yeko ene ene eti abusuafo mo ko nshira Kofi Adom my why na ba bia eduru no ahomete pa.
Is to understand that there is a God. Is to understand that I am born into Christianity and there was a God. I know a God who speaks for people who doesn't have voice. I have a voice and I can speak. But I decided to keep quiet. Now I'm on a stool. I believe on Dormaahene stool. That one man.
Right. Eti na chese di akusino no. Yemfa maame ni sia na yenwish wo nyina say speedy recovery. Kofi Adom kafra why? Kafra pa na ahmete. Asemo de agya no wo se omu yi kwan ne ba. Anti wa beduro so no na enene nsa aka ne de. The kwan no ye di kaka kire no de wo yi kwan no enye kwan pa na no wo yi nani agene agema badu ne nani nye nani agene waji kwan no wanyi ni yi kura Kofi kafra why kafra ba je frem ode sheba ayento aso Phyllis Bonsu Phyllis Michel pa proud African thank you said ozu akwaba asam na homete saso na Joseph Boa an ordin ma Patricia welcome to the reason show Andrew an ordin momi enka no krenkyere nyesa yebebre momi enka no krenkyere ho se obi ya de ne ya we eye wo di nsemu aka kire no bibia ne wo ya woni pada kope ni nipa bewu ede na asie now the same angel FM no the same ABN wo ho eno ye da sorry ye no na ababa we oda ha yi we ye frɛ no adwa rasta fose wo no ye frɛ no hima wo ye che also okwa adwuma okoduru ho no the same CEO ya ye frɛ no ayi kwakwa sas kwakwa oti CEO yi de wo we wono ni o kwakwa oti CEO no no so ni okoduru ho no na wasesa matwofo ede wo mabegu wo se adwa rasta Kofi o mani nwuram na me kwakwa oti CEO no adai papa yi won hwe ni o because te ne Kofi Adom etiri so obo no nyina se be men ensem yo kekan no wanka ne yi na yenhwe adwo rasta ye woda ha ye friend wo hima wo ye gei di siasem ni hwade wono kodu na adwuma mu a kwakwa tim yakofa matwam afo se ma adwo rasta ma adwuma mu ho tie de course wo tie de course
There is no message on my phone that says I shouldn't come to work. There is no message, Obama.
I see if you was in my majuma. Me bedroom has security tax, I should mask. Ejina gate, I know some of my young rem, see was in my young rem, my juma.
I'm proud to tell you. I don't think I want to watch some of that.
Imagine that. So this is the current situation at Angel FA premise, yes. No, brah. Nadia cross or no? You give me the phone. You give me the phone. Hey, oh, get out! If you try me, if you try me, I will not. You have been said to come and attack our life. Oh, get out! Come. If you try me, I will not. You have been said to come and attack our life. Oh, get out! Come. I'm holding my phone. So come and hold.
Me say no kwaku ote CEO no me ntiase o adai beman we CEO no adai esim say enema ya age ne nsem wo kwaku ten Adoma na offer enwanwa because enipa no obeyi na dia say ultimate send na email crowd for say na mema adwuma na say o letter nie na style we no sa buffalo soldier style we eno so ebe mu da bai sa buffalo style we eno so ba mu da bai ni. Hey, say, I mean, mentiasie kra. Eti adwa rasta ni minima de kra waye. Na adwa rasta wo mse say wonu wase wo wahase ye campaign man DC wo de ni. No wo ye campaign man DC amon ne ntena se. Say mo kire nsa adwa rasta wo ntimi nye we na betima ye. Mentiasie. Meba mami nti adwa rasta no wose de
oga de chopam nyafu enti benyina be di be de betam so ane be ko be ja ikrom ha ne yeguso bre amen kan tro after this election no yes I be try hustle so enti se bia ba na ye kwa akọ obi afa na adwene nya de enya adwuma because at the end of the day no se wudi personal interest chia me ne wo ble be koso abre amen ye to aba ne ye be koso abre ade achi e ko bie e pipe na ne milk gu ye tea mu se bi nkania na edum eka ye nyina se pipe na emma ye nyina na bia emma se fu obo e le kosoro a ye nyina e na ye kokoto ye ni card I just said a few people are close to aban no ye sort o mom wan hwa na o mo na mutumi nya free fuel you know enti no o how no said ye tie bia no e fa ye nyina ye ho edenti no hwesam ya tebia na tie na hwe nipa o se fata se odi Ghana my enim because at the end of the day obi en ho a obetumi aba besesa hyebre ne se at the end of the day nipa bewu.
Okay, eti na je say adwa rasta no wo ye campaign ana se de ase minim se ayi wura no wono ye minim de ayi si wo no minim I don't know I mean minim asa ade woni adwa rasta no hey eti jase nra de ene na shege ya wo mo ye ni shege omzo mo ntwema no amzo mo ntwema adwa rasta kura ene jase ne gidigidi pa enti ye papa kwakuten na dwuma mu no wo ye sere no matwoma afo ya de koyi obi apie de me de me hu bi da the only thing I say nipa ne ya so de police for na so frɛ wo so eti si wo no me nim onhwe no ne nkasa si wo no onhwe no ne sort out.
There is no message on my phone that says I shouldn't come to work. There is no message, Obama. I see if you say my majuma. Me bedroom has security tax, I should mask. Ejina gate, I know some of my young room, see you say my young room, my juma.
I'm proud to you. I don't think I want to watch us some more.
Imagine that. So this is the current situation at Angel FM premise, yes. No, brah. Nadia Koso, no. You give me the phone. You give me the phone. Hey, oh, get out! If you try me, I will not. You have been said to come and attack our lives. Oh, get out! Come. I'm holding my phone. So come and hold.
Right. Enti we ya adwa rasta wahima we ye jejeje. You say me so FC also pursue NDC agenda bi na MZC wo nti ase. Enti eno ano no. Enti opani kwakuten. Ena no to car kese Toyota Land Cruiser kese de adwa rasta. Sa adwa rasta adwuma nkoyi a monhwe na mongo no so. Opani wo mi na no wodi ne birthday kura chesa wodi fu message kama ne command. Nti sa wo CEO no na ne adwuma de nkoyi ma ne message wodi ajaten. Ma CEO no emfa ne incompetence man ya affect o na nipa dodo a wo mo nsako ma no nam so no ano tene opani ajaten wadama pie wasum na CEO for ne de bebre no nkrata asem no nko awo when it comes to human relationships and bebre no enim timisrew wadama bomodian why ajaten bomodian right yankwe enim na yankofa asem wemra na NDC for eno mmotwomafo a wo so mbo mo wini election ne wo Asante region and they wo pala serious urade NDC for se wo madwa na wo mo no urade ora me ba e di asem kra ni me ba Eti NDC for so mo dwalai ai o de mami twa mo de bi kakra na em se o mo raho
24 hours on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama eyesu eyesa eyesu oba yes same asku adan ye hu beto yen hospital ye hu beto yen metro ye hu beto yen market ye hu beto yen eyesu say when you so better mama was so say when you so better mama was so on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama on your nolebo mama punto mama one touch punto mama baby punto mama one touch punto mama
tese omadwa na boso ke na gonja mafia wo se dey
nti mo kɔhwɛ saa fund mu sika bi da hɔ ɛna mo kɔhwɛ ɛna mo yi 1.2 billion out of 1.2 billion no yeah the 600 million me pacho vuvuzela ho de yedi wonti out there for the vuvuzela guys, if you want to blow your vuvuzela, go outside. Some of them kɔhwɛ ɛna mo yi 1.2 billion out of 1.2 billion no yeah the 600 million me pacho vuvuzela ho de yedi wonti out there for the vuvuzela guys,
If you want to blow your vuvuzela, go outside. Are some of the things that
eti yankuye what yankuye omo magunja mafia odwa tie matwomafo we say omo na ma ndisi ba power na wase omo didi acha omo 3 months no omo ankase omo tiri ho ayi omo ayi bone 3 months ya taiwurade share politics on odi anya sharp na kase ye twen 3 months obeti wani ne yekọ na matwomafo ne say enkomo mpanimfo no mu diye no sese no mpende omo beto abonten na nye wo mu a anke ndisi ma power MPP for so hu na yese mo no mo invisible forces ne ho anyina magugu no but ne se ne omo twomafo a omo na ma ndisi timi nya 29% no omo tena se planning ene faye yentie wo mo hu na yento aso
Amika say no neti Ghana nyamso as a president ene na be die chire ya ye mame ba ko pe oba tampa Jane Nana Opoku Ajimai. Yebesa Echia regional executives and the entire NDC members. Ubia Bejia Tunse, Ashanti Regional NDC Task Force. Yekubia Ibijuma, as soon as adding Emma NDC. Na Afia Chemu a year 2024. Na Afia in the pre-Afri Emma NDC. Na afia e wose NDC etumiti fa hodie e de magana ma enu nti no ya ni mpelimfo tenas e boko ma omo mban anu ba se NDC ba power na Ashanti region ignya 29% pe se nsaba kanso a na ejina Ashanti region NDC for eso e de osi e yabo yo sa betenase na ye dwin hu se Sayeshe Ashanti regional, you could have 47 constituencies. And you know what say, it's a team. Netity task force on Yabia in Equacodu. Now it is soon pay. Now so Emre. The Shas, you know, you Sika, it's your holding, it's your Yansa, and the Shas say it's a task force. Na mpanimfo se nipa ba ko nsa enkata nyame nti yebo aproko yenim hu se Ashanti region je won krofo bi a omwoti mama NDC omo ye abadoye ema NDC ye pinchen omo edi yasem koto omani nipa bi ti se Mr. Samuel Sapo ede tu nanim no no so yemu wanto ya antwene or say NDC ejuma ne ebe ye dia pambias no be den no be so ya sene ye free ho ne hu se da bi yen san pinchen kofo bi enka ho ye ko Mr. Pablo ho ye ko Mr. Edusei ye ko Mr. Kenneth ho no mo kotena ase e no mo ka ase e no kre adwe e dia ba no e beboa Asanteman NDC eno to mo so ya sene omo mai mwa moto kakra ye be ko runs ye na wie no na constituency ye wie ye nti ye kai se e free 92 aye NDC no ye oni pa bi wo a obi anim no a on na da security anu e wo Ghana aye friend Mr. Pablo Lati ifi ha e ko ne nchen e ko susu nsam no kire on o jitu mu na se mo de mo ye party mba mo di se adwuma we dada enye nne the sanu pese mo
bajo tie ni ye pa o MPP for no a mo ya krache for no tie ni ye on say today Pablo Lati why there why national security at the presidency so or your boss tie ni ye o ti di no mbobo ne de what if financiers and sponsors a good kumase ho a o mo sponsor NDC matwomafo ayam say Justin Kodua me nka if election here kwa dey spiritual tie dey ka kire no omo tena ase work on drawing board how we suppress no matimi anya sa 29% no omo sponsor omo finances a good Ashanti region ho mungo tieni on di on bobo and say no mu nyina wa bam next time mo ankasa mba steady
ya asante ji na percent yen sakadia miso mebo memede miso mebo am na promise ye o ka kire say so far as oberi men in the office no as security no se tinya sa percentage no a obefa yen eni yen crofo no a yeso yetiti omo no national security anase ejuma bia edaho bia ehia no yansa beka ni promise eno no ema ya ahoden ema ya sa ko continue ejuma no ye no ase that's what they yetiti no se mi
so question is say edi adwuma na no mokoye momusa mo ho edi adwuma ai eti we no MPP for no mo de besua ho nyansa pa wona wo de mo de akrache sem na NDC party no mo de akrache sem ne dili enen wo ka no dodo na edo mokora national security opo mpo wo mo national security untimi nya hwe ye ka so mo ma mebuli wa no anso mo bebuli untimi nya hwe eba wi afi na mo pen krofo abedi mo ebe ka mo asema mamo so eti ayadisuade na ese musua muna mo de mo bibia mo ye gentle oh ye yes Ghana bebo hwede wo kire Ghana de ye bebo de yi Rollins ye Ghana boy eti wo mo dwalai serious say enkofo no ye didi agya wo mo empanifo ni didi agya wo mo nsasi form eti wo mo frɛ NDC for no say we your first warning na say wo man fi wo mo de a ba me NDC for me trust wo mo ho we no wo mabete wo be teaser no teaser we wo mabe no wo be frɛ mo sisi a position bi no okro mo be create bi amomo wa office bi a wa ho mu ni mu bi o be yiwadi no mo nkrofo akogo o pa fa ti ko dem NDC for de no yes ai utimi nya we so eti wo mo so mo achieve wo mo dream ene wo mo aim e wa Ashanti region na meba o de tiasem wa haze.
Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman is the Vice President of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman is the Vice President of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman is the Vice President of Ghana.
Hey, Krubini, Ebayiro Papa. Mickey Polo, Ebayiro, Andrew. Nanabra, Mechiapa, I know she black so. I know Tene, and this MPC a few Omabano. I know Tene. Yes, one bedi muagro. Share. Oh, bedi muagro, Cruimo. Mudiamono, yes.
Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman is the Vice President of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, His Excellency Professor J. Nana Opoku Agyeman is the Vice President of Ghana.
I know na me bajo picture na me dia to ambajo hwana hunu so dem ye hwan ya na ye beto aso beba picture ye do hwana da we urade me di picture bia to wem din na onipa kura be hunu ka kire mo ai picture bi da obi da kunwa mu ho na wem din ma me wa de wem ma me na ye nto aso hwan ya akwa bi da kunwa bi mu da akwa bi da ho oda ho
Ghana Statistical Service ni Finance Ministry ni Bank of Ghana for hwe data no ko be ka che ne se obe grow be 9%. Benye sa no ye nti no mo hwe no mo se growth no so be tie about 4.4% because some mom ye economists omo hwe document ni mu no be ka che say ya hwe data no omo hwe data no mo se akoye de brofo abiti e mami fa unkom
taxes never know the brofo beat.
Oh, the brofo beat mo.
Semper FM.
Enra or announce be 6 taxes say we abolish it.
Yes.
Until we hear pro NDC media networks now, my artwork, the 6 taxes that have been abolished. Yankum. Emissions levy.
Yes.
Withholding tax on lotto.
Yes.
VAT on motor insurance.
Withholding tax on lotto, aka betting tax.
Remember how? Maybe a 6 and say,
okay.
COVID,
Yes.
e-levy, 1.5 withholding on gold exports.
Yes.
Those were the 6 major taxes.
Yes. You added COVID?
Yeah. Oh, what do you hear? Artwork now almost share. No, there's a
where your mom artwork now? Okay.
Almost 6. Okay. Emissions levy, withholding tax on lotto, VAT on motor insurance, COVID, e-levy, 1.5 on withholding gold exports.
Okay.
Emissions levy, no crese mrano ya pass e daho. But obie ni huwa obi to me atene ni nsache nyankopon anim se otua emissions levy wo Ghana.
Inti with we scrapping or be scrapping the law no to repeal the law.
O se wo pese o create relief for Ghanaians.
Yes.
Na wo yi eto obi a Ghana ni no otua
efri ho. Okay.
Emissions levy nye to obi a Ghana ni bia.
Zero rated for now.
Obi entua. Me nkambro for obi entua. Obi any multimedia fee has say obetumi akase otua emissions levy. It is a finance minister be kase tax 6 first one emissions levy a ahobrasim. Oni bibia free ho because bibia ni ho e zero. Eda odim rane beba so obe scrap no.
Yes.
Public Financial Management Act say on and fiscal impact. As yet say sika hin na yahre. Until last year hin nyae ubo se sada no be ansan say zero.
Meaning say yen starting ye J.
Yen yahre wo ho yen yo bia emissions tax.
But the law should go. It should not be there.
Eda ho yen yusu. Ekwa interest relief biaba because ewo ho no kra yen ye obi a ho. And if you want to create the impression say where you relief BF in terms of or the for you.
Okay.
BBN VAT on motor insurance. Check your last motor insurance out here. And I'm free one insurance company say me person me double show. VAT was one now. Also I'm running the hobart enye. Abayin obi antua. Until there's no relief there. And some are withholding tax on lotto and the cofa confusion
buy.
A buy.
What are you learning now? A dana.
You see, Brofono ordina no kan no. Any the reality no different. The ordina no kan no yen nyina yente ase ne se or kan lotto withholding. National Lottery Authority for energy. Ubisa samia uku friend se obeka cho. Yanje sa tax na da. And until you ramin buy no. And also carry no san kan say also known as the betting.
In the specific I'll say, Mr. Speaker, we will abolish the 10% withholding tax on winnings from lottery, otherwise known as, quote, betting tax. Winnings on lottery, no, you understand, it's a different from sports bet, my bet,
send your car, no, and I'll show you why it created confusion. I was saying, no, clear. Send your car, no.
Okay.
Understanding a better will be a chimney say they are not yaching
right. Eti NDC for tricks are omote sa azan budget to other Ghana for no. Wa ubo se bia be careful. Be brofo no mo dia trick mo. Ye beba sa se na mame nko line so na enne no me kwaji history bi on panin sem bia fi ya mame bia last time ye ni din ko Madam Esther yeah Taki. Madam Esther, welcome to the Reason Show again. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
Right.
And how are you too?
Mama, I'm good. Oh, I'm good.
Thank God.
Right. So today, I want you to help me so that we can educate the young ones about some history that it's been distorted in the country for so long, and coming from 1960. Coming from 1950, coming up to 60, in Nkrumah's era, Kotoka, what happened, and we came to Rawlings also era. So, where do you think you can start us from? Is it from Nkrumah or Kotoka, or where do you want to start me from?
I can still continue with Nkrumah.
Okay.
I can still continue with Nkrumah. Then we come to Kotoka and the others.
Okay, so let's hear from you. Let's hear from you.
Okay, that's again. This time, please bear with me. There are certain things I would love to say it in Ghana because I've had a lot of telephone calls.
Okay.
from people who understand Ghana.
Okay.
And they would like me to put certain things in Ghana.
Okay, so
for them to understand.
Those people are they listening to the show? Those people.
Yeah, they have been on your show.
Okay.
And they have listened.
No
some
problem.
of them know. So I will miss it. I will miss
with
it
English
and the broken tree and all that.
All right.
Yes.
So now tell me about you said Nkrumah. What exactly do you want to tell me about?
If people really want to know, that's why I keep on talking about archives.
Okay.
Nkrumah was a man who, when he was a president, a prime minister before he became a president, there were so many committees set to investigate Nkrumah. And all the committees, what happened? Nkrumah fell flat. He didn't know what to do. If people have heard of what this Sierra journalist called Bankole Timothy.
Okay, the name is Bankole Timothy. Okay.
Yes. From Sierra Leone. He was a journalist. He was a journalist in Gold Coast, stroke, let's say Ghana. Okay. This is what happened. Nkrumah was misleading people, doing all sorts of things, telling lies, propaganda, all about his JB Dankwa and others.
Okay.
And this man investigated thoroughly. He investigated this case thoroughly. Then what happened? He came out, the journalist came out with this and said, yes, Nkrumah, everything is bare on the floor. What have you got to say? The truth is all out. What have you got to say? Which means you were lying to us all along. So what do you have to say? Do you know what Nkrumah said? What the question was, Nkrumah, what next? Nkrumah, what next? Like, we have gathered everything now, and I have come out with the truth. So what next? What is your next? Nkrumah's answer was to Bankole Timothy was Bankole Timothy deportation next.
Okay.
Because yes, Bankole has brought out the truth. So Nkrumah said, when the man asked him, Nkrumah, what Nkrumah, what next? What have you got to say now? We found out your lies and all that. The answer Nkrumah gave Bankole was, your Bankole's deportation next. And the next day, Bankole Timothy was deported. Yes, Bankole Timothy couldn't have been put to jail or to detention because he wasn't a Ghanaian. He was from the Sierra Leone, so they deported him.
Okay.
Yes. So this is one of Nkrumah's these people who are saying.
You saying when the journalist questioned Nkrumah, instead of Nkrumah to answer him or do anything, the next thing was for him to deport that journalist back to his country.
Yes. That was what he did.
Okay.
That was he deported him. And there have been, as I was saying, there have been so many committees set to investigate Nkrumah. And none of them, Nkrumah didn't win any of the committees, and any of the, allegations or whatever was being investigated. He didn't. Nkrumah didn't. And then, and again, this man, there was a time. That is why, though I remember things, but there are certain things I don't remember them very well. That's why I keep on. I really breathe that our archives is no more there. Yes, with something also happened, and we had Akufo-Addo dad was a judge by then, and Justice Van Leer, Justice William Van Leer was also on it, and so many judges were on it. They were lucky. Those people were lucky. Otherwise, they would have even Judge Van Leer. So Nkrumah was no good. He was no good at all. You know, when I talk more about Nkrumah, because I grew in that era. You know, so I knew more about him. Somebody like Rawlings, after the coup and then the killing of the, what do you call it, the judges, I think the judges were buried just 2 days, and I came to UK.
Okay.
You know, yes. So the rule of what was it, Rawlings, I didn't see it much. And again, let me tell you, if I say I'm going to mention names, I don't know where this will end to. But let's say Kotoka himself wasn't actually killed by, as we saw it. It was a spiritual killing.
Oh, really?
The people don't, yes. People don't know that.
Take your time, Mama. Take your time. I mean, we came, we hear. We heard it. They said Kotoka was, somebody shot him at the place today. The place called Kotoka.
Kotoka was slaughtered at the airport. He was slaughtered. It was a spiritual
they're saying somebody shot him. A soldier that I know, Yeboah shot him. So
yes, he was. If he was shot at all, he was again slaughtered. Even after he was dead, because he was running. He ran from his house at Flagstaff out to the airport in his panties, his underpants. Kotoka died in his underpants. Running, he was in bed when he noticed that they were dead. They were coming after him because the man was a soldier and he knew what was happening. So he just run, and they chased him. They said the way they killed, they used a what do you call it? A pig. I don't want to mention names. I don't want a pig. You know, in this world, if two people do things, and they think it's secret, it's no more secret.
Yeah. 2
people, no more secret. Even sometimes one person, if you do something and you think it's a secret, it's not a secret because God is watching you.
Okay.
And so when God is watching you, then it's no more a secret.
Right.
There will be a time.
Definitely, we're going to
come
back.
There will be a time when God, the Spirit of God, will be pushing you to go and say the truth about what you have done. So when 2 people,
Kotoka, you saying so? Who ordered his assassination or his killing? Who did that?
No. Let me tell you this story. I told you that NDC there, they are full of CPP. And when Kotoka and Afrifa did the coup, what happened was that Nkrumah was very close. And that's why I say I don't want to mention them. I know that when people will say you don't want to mention them because we are not telling the truth. But I'm telling the truth. That is why I said people should know that when 2 people or 3 people plan to do something, definitely it will come out. Somebody will definitely. These people, these CPP people, when Nkrumah was in exile, they wanted Nkrumah back. The CPP people wanted Nkrumah back, and Nkrumah was a friend to one of the chiefs in Anglo. One of the chiefs in Anglo, yes, helping him to do his ritual things and all that, killing people.
Also, yes. Are you saying there's a chief in Anglo who used to help Nkrumah to do? To do what? The ritual. What exactly did they use to do there?
And all that.
Ritual. So what did they use? Did they use chickens or cocks or animals or humans?
Not chickens. I'm coming to that. I will come to Flagstaff House. What was happening there too? Kankan Nyami and all that. I will come to that. And so this one, what do you call it? They went to see the chief to do something like to get rid of Kotoka and others so that they could bring Nkrumah back to Ghana. And so what they did was Nkrumah, let me tell you the story. Somebody may know. Maybe this one relative, a Kotoka relative, will be listening to your show and will know what I'm saying. So what happened was they hired a Kotoka's nephew, the sister's son, to go to Kotoka place to ask for to get a hold of Kotoka's underpants, singlet and the pants. Yes, so that they will use it to do the rituals to kill Kotoka.
Whoa.
And this guy went and asked his uncle that he wanted, if his uncle could, that he hasn't got, he needed the singlet and the underpants and all that. He needed one. He hasn't got any. So if you could give him his old one. And then Kotoka said, how can I give? You know, these areas, they also know things. You understand? So that Kotoka said, how can I give you my old underpants? Just get money and go to town and buy some. And then he said, oh, okay. He got the money. He didn't go to the, he washed the washing Kotoka's things and dry it on the line. Then he took the underpants and the singlet, took it to the people who were to do the ritual. And this one, who do you call it? They put the underpants and on the singlet on a pig. And then they were about to kill the pig when the pig ran away. So the pig ran till they were able to shoot the pig. And the pig fell. And that is where they slaughtered the pig. So during when this was done, that exactly the way the Kotoka was killed.
Oh, so,
exactly.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so now I get your point. But now let me ask this: in the Volta region, they have some deity called Nogbokpo. Are you saying Nkrumah
Nogbokpo is that is Agbozome.
Agbozome.
That is Agbozome.
Are you saying
yes.
Nkrumah used to believe in that Nogbokpo? Nkrumah used to believe that.
Nkrumah used to believe in all these things, this ritual. Let me to make you know that believe that what I'm saying. We had something at Flagstaff House called Kankanyami. If people can remember, that is why when I come to this side, I just want to read. I feel I breathe about this our archives. There was a policeman, a security policeman at Flagstaff House. His name, he's an Anglo man. His name was Ametewi. What happened to Ametewi? What happened to Ametewi at Flagstaff House?
What happened? Tell me what happened to him?
Yes, Ametewi, we fought with Kwame Nkrumah because, you know, as I said, he came with propaganda. And everybody believed him. And it was like now they realized that things were falling apart. Things were falling apart. What they thought, people were then realizing that Nkrumah didn't tell them the truth. He lied to them. And things were actually falling apart. So this man, and it was like nobody could stand to Nkrumah. So this man decided that he was going to fight him and strangle him to death. That was what this policeman, who happened to be a security man at the Flagstaff House. So he looked left, right, front, back, center, and realized nobody was there. And he went and held Nkrumah and started fighting with him, strangling Nkrumah to kill him. When one of these border guards, the man was another police border man, came, he hailed from Isima, and he came and he saw that, and then he struggled with this man, this Ametewi. So you could see there were two of them, Nkrumah and that man with Ametewi. So definitely Ametewi wouldn't win. What happened? They put Ametewi in lion's den. Yes, Ametebu was thrown into the lion. They had this, what do you call it? He has got this lion then like a zoo type or something at the Flagstaff house. That is why I keep on saying that we should, if we have our archives, people will go and read and will know that what this woman is saying is the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Right.
Could people remember my age, people who are my age and older than me? Okay. Can they remember about Ametewi at the Flagstaff house?
Okay, so which means Nkrumah executed that security man, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. It wasn't that he executed. He put the lions there, and the lions ate the man.
This is like a torture. So I mean, it means
you may think this is Adesa. Nklani Beka said, "Hey, it's the truth, nothing but the truth." That was what he did. Look, I tell you something. I have a cousin. She is not outspoken like me, and she wouldn't even want to come on your show to tell you. But I can tell you, if she wouldn't.
Okay,
otherwise, she was lucky. She was nearly taken to perform rituals at Flagstaff House. She was nearly. It was God who saved her. I have that cousin. She's alive now.
Right. Let me tell you this. So yesterday I saw a guy.